I have this slide out. It's already started. It's already started cracking a little bit here. In order to be able to open this slide, we actually had to push physically on it from the inside. So you can see there's a problem. And on this end, it was pretty much lower. This, now we become structural. So this is actually cracked. So this is the other thing that I found that is, well, it was kind of talking from there, but this is actually, I mean, this is gone.
As professional RV inspectors, we've seen it all. Sellers embellishing RVs to make a quick sale, leaving unsuspecting buyers with major problems. In today's video, we share 2 stories of customers who nearly fell victim to dishonest RV sellers trying to pass off damaged rigs as flawless coaches. Watch as we break down these hidden problems and show why an inspection can save you from a costly mistake.
It's RV inspection day, and today we are in Hope, New Jersey, about to inspect this 2018 Thor Ace 30.3. Now stick around. We don't know what we're gonna find. You don't know what we're gonna find, and our customer, she's got her fingers crossed that we don't find anything. We'll let you know at lunchtime. Okay, people, let's pretend this is you. You have found what you feel is your perfect unit, and you're going to do your first glimpse walkthrough. So let's walk through with me right now. This is my first glimpse. I've just walked in. Look how clean and pristine. This is a 2018, right? So it looks beautiful. The cupboards are beautiful. The leather is a little bit demarked. That's okay. It's a 2018. I think they forgot to put the seat up when the slide comes in. Stuff like that happens. But look at the countertops are beautiful. The walls, the coloring, everything looks nice. The linoleum on the floor. So coming through, first glimpse, I don't know what you would say, but would you at this point hire an RV inspector or just say, nah, looks good enough for me? I don't know, but coming through here, shower's nice and clean. They've done a really nice job with that. And guess what? They even put a nice, soft, comfy mattress in here, which doesn't come with your RV. Doesn't it look beautiful, right? The walls, everything looks really nice. So at this point, you've just seen your RV for the first time. Is it a bust or a go? Do you hire an RV inspector or you just pay cash and leave? 2018. Let me know in the comments below how you'd feel when you walked into this unit.
All right, first glimpse. I daydreamed about this unit. You know, you get used to the units and you say, oh, geez, I even told Laurel, we'll see how that one goes. 2018, people. This is not old. 1964 is old, but not 2018. I'm kidding. Let's pretend it's you, okay? This is you looking at an RV and says, wow, this looks awesome. It looks beautiful. It's an Ace 30.3, 2018. It's new. I'm good to go. This is so freaking nice that why would I need an inspector? Well, let me tell you why you need an inspector. Let's just take a walk on the other side again. All right, I'm on top of the roof here. And I just want you to listen to this. This is the front edge. And I can already see a lot of places where water can come in, like this. And here's the edge. So I'm about, I don't know, foot and a half from in there. I hope you can hear this because now it's risky for me to walk even on this roof as I'm hearing it crack and pop. Just like Rice Krispies. All right, well, we made the call.
Never the fun part of our job, for sure.
And this is another disappointed person. When we started walking around, because we FaceTime her, we show her, so we just don't come up and say, oh, by the way, run. No, we actually show physically what we found to make sense, to be logical, to make people understand that, listen, this is where I'm at, this is the address, this is the unit, this is the VIN number, this is what you asked me to come and see. Here's what we found. and we start enumerating. I'm showing physically, Laurel is explaining, vice versa. And like she said, at one point she wanted to cry. That's where the drive comes from. We know you're emotionally attached, and the minute you put a deposit on this, you're dreaming of where you're going and the cupboard and how it is and how beautiful and perfect it is. For me, listen, this whole unit is, however you want to write in the comment below, POS, POC, whatever you want to call it, this is not even a project to take. What pisses me off is that I literally know somebody's going to buy this. Somebody will end up with this trouble.
They will end up in a money pit, but if someone's looking for a really good project, this is a fantastic project.
From the roof to the bottom, you got to change
everything.
Everything
needs to be ripped out.
Yeah, I don't know what to add other than hope you keep yourself safe. And I know we just got off the phone with her, and she understands, and she realized also that, no, this is the importance of an inspection. This is why I hired you. And I totally understand. And now, wherever you guys are going, I want to see where you're at, because I want to find a unit where you can do it.
Our client was a single woman ready to fulfill her dream of traveling the country. She almost skipped hiring an RV inspector because the seller convinced her it wasn't necessary. But as you'll see, she saved at least $100,000 by avoiding a money pit, thanks to our thorough RV inspection. You can watch the full video in our Class A playlist. Just search "It's a Trap for RV Buyers." Now let's take a look at money pit number 2.
It's RV inspection day, and today we are in Morris Plains, New Jersey, and we are going to inspect this beautiful 2006 Allegro bus 40Q DP. Now stick around. We don't know what we're going to find. You don't know what we're going to find, and our customer is anxious to see what we're going to find. We'll see you at lunchtime. So it's lunchtime, and we have been working diligently in this unit. So we've had a couple of issues, quite a bit of moisture in the slides. We have some broken molding here, and as you can see up here, and when Pierre puts his fingers on the wall, it's very soft, and we're getting high moisture readings. But also, if you can see this, and I'm sure I'm on my tippy toes, but you know, ceilings aren't supposed to do that.
All right, so in this 2006, I don't know, you tell me what you think. So this is where I got a lot of readings on this wall. We brought in the slide out a little bit just to be able to read behind, and then I see this, the whole ceiling is kind of loose. And then I look at the other side as I'm over there, so I'm probably gonna have the same problem here. So I don't know, it doesn't look good. And I know it's not a technical term, but I have lung issues, and I'm already starting having problem breathing in here. So that's a telltale sign for me. But now I gotta justify and see if it is all over the place, or if it's just located, if it's fixable. So let's carry on. So this is the other thing that I found that is, well, it was kind of talking from there, but this is actually, I mean, this is gone. It's fine, you can fix this, it's not an issue. I understand it's never an issue if you want a project, but you wonder about that mold. Well, that might be why we got mold. So let's go call our customer to see where he's at, where he stands, and if he wants us to pursue this dead dream of his. So we'll see.
So we've been in here, I've been in here the longest, and yes, it is not easy to breathe in here. I don't have lung issues, but the more I work around stuff like this, I might. So we bought a home test for mold. It is for home use, and we actually used it today, and let's just show you what our readings are showing us. So as you can see the lines there. That is detecting mold. So yes, we can go further. We can have a lab test these results, But this is a good indication of what we have found so far in this RV. So we're going to take the time to call our customer, have a conversation with him, because this was going to be a project, but we're not sure just how deep of a project he's looking to get himself into. But we're going to give him a call right away and let him know what we found. So stick around and we will actually update you as well.
All right, so that was the dreaded call, and that's it. He told us that he wasn't in for the project, and like he explained about being in the home industry, he knows what mold is all about. So we sent him a picture of our test result of our home kit of the mold, and he says, as much as this is a beautiful unit on the inside, it was beautiful.
It was well maintained on the inside.
Yep.
But he intends to live in this full time.
Yeah, that was surprising.
I've been in here for a few hours and I wouldn't want to live in here full time.
Windows are fogged up. That's what I'm looking at too. There was a lot, but the inside was beautiful. And his comment was, it's like buying a beautiful house full of termites. That ain't happening. So he says, I thank you, and that's exactly why I hired you. Stop losing your time. I'm not either. So we're done with this. So how did you feel of how he interpreted his decision?
I feel like he knew exactly what he was getting into at that point, and that's not the project that he's looking to do. And he wants to keep his health at the same time. So he said, I'm going to continue shopping because I will find the right rig for me because I'm going to live in this full time. So remember, and do never forget,
it's not about the destination, it's all about the journey. I am God.